I would like to take this opportunity to thank all of you who have subscribed to our channel. It's growing slowly, but it is growing, and those who like what we put out. So hopefully we will get more of you to subscribe and to like our channel. And it is a channel that is especially created to keep us motivated to keep the language alive, because we have moved away from Fiji, and we hope that this will also motivate you, our Fiji diaspora, wherever you are in the world, to keep speaking that language, because in speaking our language we keep our connection to our homeland, we keep our heritage, we keep our culture alive, and we keep our identity too. So we hope that this can be motivational to you, because it certainly is motivational to us to as we keep putting out content out there, and we are glad and happy that it can also have an impact in your lives. So let's do this together. We have come thus far in 2024, and we hope that we can continue this journey with you and grow into 2025. So best wishes for 2025 to all of you. Vinaka.